Robert Earl, Digital Agent Show, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps required to get your North Carolina real estate license. Now, North Carolina requires you to complete a 75-hour broker pre-licensing course. North Carolina refers to their real estate agents as brokers, and until recently you could only take a classroom course. Now you have the opportunity to take an online course to satisfy these 75 hours. And I provided a link below this video for the online course. If you have a question about whether you should take a classroom course or an online course, I've provided a link to a video as well that you can look through about the reasons why I can't recommend a classroom course, and then I can only recommend in good conscience, I can only recommend a online course for your 75 hours in North Carolina. Once you get done with the course, you're submitting in a license application with your application fee and your required documentation showing that you've completed the class. If you're taking an online course, you will be provided with a certificate of completion once you've satisfied the 75 hours and you've passed the final exam and passed with a 75% or greater for the course. The commission is then going to determine whether or not you are eligible to be able to take the final state exam issued by an independent proctor. So translation, think of this as being a background examination that you're going to go through that will fill out the information that you have on your application. You will then be eligible to take that final exam. You'll contact your testing service to schedule the examination. There will be a fee associated with taking that test because this is the test that's issued by the Independent Testing Center. Once you've passed the test, once you've gone through that examination, your application is good order. They're going to go through and they determine whether or not you have the requisite character for licensing, and you can get more information about what that means. If you have any issues with your background, anything that you're afraid will keep you and prevent you from becoming a licensed agent, the best thing to do is to reach out and contact the state of North Carolina Real Estate Commission directly. Now, once that's done, the commission is going to issue you your license. They're not going to issue you your license unless you have actually gone through and you're being associated with a brokerage. Even though you're getting a broker license, it's a pre-licensing for brokers. You have to have a managing broker, a managing brokerage company like a Keller Williams, like other real estate companies that would say this particular individual is going to be working underneath our umbrella. Now, I've put together a couple videos of how you can go about selecting a real estate course, and I'm going to provide a link right now that's going to pop up for you to be able to check that out. And also, as I indicated, have information about online versus classroom courses. Let's talk about the real estate course for just a bit. The real estate course itself, no matter the state, but also in North Carolina, it's not going to teach you how to sell real estate. It's going to cover the practices and principles that you need to know as a baseline foundation. How does real estate transfer from one party to the other? Who represents who in the transaction? What are the mathematical calculations that you're going to have to know and to be able to perform for your customers? Even though you might only want to be a residential agent, you're going to have information so that you know about timeshares, so that you know about information for commercial properties, leasing, rental properties, those types of things. So there's going to provide you with a complete background for your foundational information, fair housing laws, protected classes, those types of things. It's not until you join a real estate brokerage that brokerage will work with you on teaching you how to work well. Some brokerages will work with you and teach you about how to go about finding buyers, finding sellers, and working with those parties to help them with successful transactions. If you've got any questions about how to go about selecting a brokerage, we have many articles on digitalagentshow.com that'll help you out. So reviewing, North Carolina now allows online courses. Got a link below in the description that'll help you select an online course. If you wish to pick a classroom, you'll have to contact the school yourself directly. It's a 75-hour course. You have to pass a final exam with the course. Then your application that's been submitted, you'll get an eligibility to take a private test with a private testing agency. You have to pass that, and then you have to activate your license with a brokerage. So hope this helps you out. Would love for you to subscribe to this channel so you get more information about how to get into real estate and how to be successful as a real estate agent. digitalagentshow.com. Until next time, make it a great day.